Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is LENOX Childhood Memories Musical Ballerina Jewelry Box. It is 2.3 pound metallic. So since this is a birthday present, I'm not going to reveal the price. So let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys real quick. So I'm just going to do the quick wipe down real quick. And this time around, I'm not going to wear my glove. I'm just going to wash my hand after I unbox this. Because I keep on wasting my glove, so. Hopefully there's no invoice in here, so let's see. So I'm actually opening it upside down. It's an air bubble. 5 of those air bubble. And then I take this out. So LENOX, American by design. Childhood memories. Give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. So this is what's it gonna look like. 7-inch or 17.8 centimeter. So let's go and then unbox this. Oh, it's kind of ripped already. I don't want to see there. It's already ripped. Oh my god. Go ahead and open this. So it is taped up. Oh. Wow, look at that. Beautiful design. And it is made in China. Got for this chrome feet for the musical box. And there's like a mirror right here in a heart shape. And there's a heart shape right here as well. I don't think I wanted to, let's see. I'll show you guys real quick. So it's a very nice looking box. It's got chrome finish all around this border. Then this is wine. You can wind this for the musical. And you got the heart shape here again. Let's go and then open this up. And then there's a mirror right here again. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.